All right, everybody, welcome back to Freethinker Studio YouTube channel. Today I'm starting on a new project for the RL1 Odyssey, my O2, the Havoc wagon. I'm going to start fabricating a custom console that is going to be carbon fiber, epoxy, with glow-in-the-dark and black lights. Here's the frame. It's just a stock Odyssey frame for between the seats. And we're also starting with a 22 by 10 piece of plexi, and then we're also going to build risers for the carbon fiber sticker to sit on. We're going to run 3 of these. These are 4 inches by, I believe, a 1/4 inch thick. We're going to run 3 of these, so we got about 3/4 inch thick. We're going to cover that in carbon fiber, then start putting it all together, let it dry, pour the epoxies, and it's going to be a pretty sweet piece. It's going to have black lights, which I bought a 3-foot section of some cheapy black lights from Five Below. You can get them anywhere. They light up really nice. They're going to make this piece glow because it's also going to have glow-in-the-dark pigment with pearls. So I will keep everybody updated on this project. I'm hoping to have it done in the next couple days because there's a few shows coming up that I'd like to enter the van in. So, you know, if you see something you like, let me know, comment, like, subscribe, and be updating you guys real soon. Have a great night.